this car is crazy.
Yeah. The quattro.
Yeah, quattro. Full machine, as you can see. It's four-wheel drive, but it sends most of its power to the front first.
Why the front? Shouldn't it be the back?
If it was at the back, we're not going to be able to tackle those curves like we did. It was going to slide. So it's better when the power is mostly at the front for curves, because most of the weight of the car is in the front. So it's able to hold most of the weight. Around 5 a.m. maybe we're going to get a lot of mist on the cabs, but it's a nice little day. The cameraman thinks I know it's already tried. 12 minutes. Let's push to 20, man, so it can be a nice YouTube, man. Let's push to 20, man. Let's hit the last cabs. There's some cabs. check it. Telling me that no man, stay in the car. Don't go out because it's gonna be freezing cold. But it doesn't look too cold from in here. I mean, like maybe it's because our temperature in the car is not 25 degrees.
But the clear skies and everything.
Yeah, there's clear skies. There's no, the road is not wet, and the tires feel warm. You know, because the warmer the tires, the better the handling of the car. There's a bit of mist there on the mirrors, but now it just went off. But you can also use this option in order for you to be able to warm the mirrors for them not to be able to have mist on them.
Nice.
Stuff.
Advanced.
Yeah. I mean, the technology of this car is a bit ahead. I mean, for a 2018 model, having this kind of technology, I mean, like some cars don't even have the technology now.
Yeah.
Just like 7 years ago.
And 18 was 7 years ago.
Yeah, that was a long time ago. That goes up.
Permitted on this road. This guy just taking charges.
Well, they are permitted, but you know, some of them can't drive. I mean, maybe he was trying to tackle the cabs with maybe very high gears. That's why when you start these cabs, they normally advise you to use low gears if you are a truck. In order for you not to, you know, get caught in these cabs. What a scenic drive. Those are the kind of words that we must use when we're making these YouTube videos. Scenic drives. Changes down the gears, it feels as though it knows the curve that we're approaching. It's always at the right gear for you to turn the curve efficient. They'll never let you into a curve with a high gear or a very low gear. Always knows. I don't know the technology that they have put in this car. It's so crazy. I don't blame the guys that have this car and then they tell me that they will never sell this car.
That's what they say.
They say it's a car they wish to keep for a very long time.
What do you say?
What do I say?
Yeah.
I say this is the new age Gusheshe. You see, the time when Gusheshes were a thing,
yeah.
I feel like this is the